am so happy. There's so much I really want to say, but I am going to try not to get really excited and happy, because if I do, then I'm going to start slurring my words and just talking like real. Y'all know how I do when I get really excited. So, you know. You guys were really excited for this when I showed you on Instagram, that some of you literally were going from Instagram to YouTube to let me know how big of a deal this was. So I just wanted to share with everyone, just in case you guys don't follow me on Instagram, so you guys could see the excitement from all of you guys. And you guys were so excited that I got excited, so I had to share with everyone. Honestly, that's how it really went. The PR I did get is from Dr. Sam, and the way you guys were flooding my inbox when I showed you guys what the PR I got was like, oh my God, I felt like I was like James Charles, Tati. I felt like I was them, the way I was getting flooded with DMs over Dr. Sam's Flawless brand. I was really shocked that you guys were telling me like I had moved into some $3 million home somewhere in Ventura County, living a lavish life, talking about, oh girl, now that you're getting the real good PR, don't you ever change and get big-headed. I'm like, oh my God, y'all act like I'm making millions of dollars and I got my first brand deal. The way y'all were acting in the DMs had me like, oh my God. I didn't realize how big of a deal it was, because honestly, you guys, when they send me the email, it's just a basic email. Most brands say, oh, we really love what you do. Can we send you the Dr. Sam's collection? And I say yes. When I showed it on Instagram, I wasn't expecting so much feedback from you guys, excited for me to try it, dragging me, telling me I better not use it for skincare challenges, telling me I better use a half a pump, maybe even a quarter of a pump. I'm like, y'all are wildin'. I swear, the skincare addict fan bam over here, y'all are a mess and a trip sometimes. Y'all be on me for the littlest things, I swear. For those who don't understand why this is a big deal, I will explain it the way one of the skincare addict fan bam explained it to me on Instagram. Dr. Sam has an office in the UK. I think it's in London. And it's on like a very wealthy, nice street. So for those in the US who really don't understand how big Dr. Sam is, I would equate her as being like Dr. Harold Lancer. So if you would go to Dr. Harold Lancer, he's a very famous dermatologist. That's the level she's on. That's sort of how my subscriber explained it to me. She is like the creme de la creme of it all, you know, and it just made me happy that I could get PR from Dr. Sam and her Flawless collection, because you guys know I don't get a lot of PR on this channel. I mean, honestly, I really don't get a lot of PR. It is what it is. I'm not mad at it. I'm just not mad. You know, I don't get mad at things like that. With that being said, when the Fenty Skin situation happened, I was kind of sad at the comments of people making fun of me and poking at me for not getting PR and like literally dragging me saying, well, this is why you didn't get PR, ha ha ha. So thank you so much, Dr. Sam. I am really excited to review her products. I also got PR from Dr. Zenobia, so I'm really excited to talk about Dr. Zenobia as well on this channel. All the dermatologists send me PR. I just want to let that be known. I used to get PR. I don't get PR no more. Dr. Dennis Gross. So at least the dermatologists know my opinion matters, because during the Fenty Skin debacle, I was getting made fun of so hard from a lot of, you know, trolls, not my subscribers. You guys have been really nice to me, so I'm not talking about y'all, but the trolls who don't even subscribe to the channel and only watch like one video were literally like saying, oh, well, other channels got Fenty Skin PR, you just basic, that's why you didn't get Fenty Skin PR. Let me be okay in all my basicness. I'm okay with being basic. I don't need to be a baddie. I don't need to be an extra. I've never made myself myself that on this channel, so I didn't care. But I was really upset about it because when so many people are coming at you at once, it could really really make you feel a certain way. It really can. And I was really feeling down, and then I did my other video telling you guys how I was feeling about the situation and how I was feeling honestly inadequate at times because of like what happened. And sometimes it could be really hard when you just want to have a lighthearted video in a lighthearted situation and people totally blow it up, because you know sometimes other influencers do clickbait titles, and when they don't look like you, it's all gung-ho and okay, but then everybody want to come to your channel when you do some clickbaity and have a problem with it. But that's another story for another time. I really wasn't mad that I didn't get PR, and I always say that in that video. People made me feel like I wasn't good enough because I didn't get it. And sometimes, you know, people can make you feel a certain way. It's just happened. That whole situation really affected me. I stopped making videos as much as I used to because of that situation. Like, you know, I don't want to ruffle feathers. I've gotten in so much drama. I'm going to have to do a video about all the drama I've gotten into. Because honestly, when I first started, I just wanted to share my skincare experiences, sort of share my family. Like literally, you guys see videos where I would like show you guys the hole in my wall of the roof leaking in the video before I did a skincare haul from the drugstore. I would do videos with Sonomi and us reviewing products. Not us, but like, you know, when I was testing overnight sleeping mask, Sonomi would be in those videos. But now I don't do that anymore because, you know, people on the internet are mean. With that being said, I want to say this. I'm just so happy I have a great skincare addict family and we share the same passion of skincare. I am actually happy about that. I love you guys so much, and me getting Dr. Sam's PR would not be possible without you guys. So I just want to thank you guys so much for laughing at my videos, laughing with me, talking with me in the comment section, DMing me in the comment, DMing me on Instagram. You guys tell me your problems. I listen to you. We just have a really great skincare addict family over here, and sometimes we'll get a whole bunch of drama and mess, and I'll have to address it like I always do. Like the drama it's always me getting in some drama. Side note, I really want to talk about the Human Race skincare line with Pharrell, but honey, I'm not ready for the smoke. I'm just over it. I've moved on. We get doctor skincare over here. That's all I want to say. That being said, you guys, I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm gonna stop rambling because honey, I could talk to y'all forever and hours, but I'm gonna keep it cute and I'm gonna go ahead and go. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys so much for letting me know how big of a deal this is. Thank you, because I didn't know. I literally didn't know. I was just happy someone was sending me PR. I do want to say this. I do get PR, and I don't want to discredit anyone who has sent me PR, so thank you so much. I'm very appreciative. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But you know, this was a big deal, so I wanted to share it with the rest of the skincare addict family who had no clue what was going on. Like, this is a huge deal. With that being said, you guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and honestly, this would not be possible without you guys. So thank you so much. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.